The world's a crazy place at the best of times, but even now with COVID it's even more extreme, so we've just got to keep pushing ourselves to be better. Ultimately we're producing the product that we're selling on the world market. We're green and we are clean and separate, and look how unique we are around our island at the moment. We've just got to keep utilising that and enhancing our brand here, because we're definitely special. We're George and Kayla Whitelock, dairy farming here in Linton. We're located south of Palmerston North at Linton here, and milking 1,100 cows on Galaxy Dairies is what we call ourselves. Our location is magnificent. We're on the Manawatu River, very good heavy soil land, and we lease land here off Mum and Dad, and yeah, we've had this extremely lucky opportunity to start our future here as well. When I first came home in 2015, for the first few years I worked for Dad and just learnt the role, because it's a big change from being a rugby player. So to learn a full season, how it flows, and there's a fair bit to take on. I compare it a lot to rugby, as every week we were able to play and measure ourselves on how good we were and how we can get better. And it's no different on the farm. Every day we send milk out the gate. What did I do good today? What do I need to work on tomorrow? So that challenge really sort of motivates me, and I guess that's the beauty in dairy. We can measure so much and judge ourselves. $3,400 covered. We own a F45 in town, which is a functional gym. I'm full-time here on the farm, but definitely my wife Kayla, she's really big on that, and she's actually currently still in the frame for trying to attend her 5th Olympics. When you probably look at our histories of Kayla and I, have both been captains for a long time of our different sports, so without doubt competitiveness is top of the ladder. Every day you go and you're able to judge yourself as a group of people. You're always pushing yourself to be better. So I have 5 Filipino staff here. We have a couple of guys that are starting their 7th season in New Zealand, so we've got a lot of experience here, and really proud of what they do here on the farm and work as a group. And I'm really trying to develop my team. I want them all to have high aspirations and in terms of their skill levels and what they can offer Galaxy and their future aspirations if I can't give it to them here. I've had a decade of some pretty good memories on the rugby field especially, and I'm very green and got plenty to learn here on the dairy farm yet. This is going to be our life until we retire as such, so it's a long game and we're really looking forward to that challenge.